Hello everyone. Over 77,000 deaths annually are attributable to trans fat consumption in India. As a premier institution that serves to public health, the figures are quite alarming for us to call for an immediate action. It all started with the interaction with Principal Health Secretary Shri Hussain Lal Ji, during which the need to eliminate the trans fats from our food cycle was highlighted. After discussing at length, the team of our project coined the idea of launching Trans Fat Free Diwali. It was based on the premise that Diwali, being an auspicious festival celebrated across the country by sharing sweets and eating lots of fried foods, we thought of using this opportunity in launching the campaign so that we can benefit population. After being handed over with the idea, the Department of Community Medicine and School of Public Health launched and conceptualized it further and came up with a blueprint. Not to forget, the campaign was not possible without indispensable support of CIPHER, an advocacy-focused civil society and global health advocacy incubator, our funding organization. The things were not easy as COVID pandemic was also walking along with us. We needed to plan activities that do not put the health of our team members at risk. Now, we had a concrete plan which was waiting for grand inauguration. While we were contemplating how it would happen, the Punjab government came into force. On October 21st, 2020, Principal Secretary of Health, Mr. Hussain Lal Ji, and Commissioner Food and Drug Administration, Shri Kumar Rahul Ji, launched the Trans Fat Free Diwali campaign in the state of Punjab. After the successful launch, it was time for execution of planned activities. The first and foremost step is the process was to develop the IEC materials. Brochures, pamphlets, billboards, standees, banners and placards were placed and prepared in English, Hindi and vernacular languages and displayed to the target audience, which served the purpose of generating basic awareness on trans fat among diverse audience. To disseminate the information among maximum people, we had listed down different mediums including print media, electronic media and social media. While print and electronic media helped us in reaching to the local and state audience, the social media introduced us to the entire globe. We also forwarded and followed a pre-planned strategy to approach media persons in order to obtain maximum outcome. Apart from the press releases of various events, we also prepared a series of stories on different topics related to trans fat for the journalists, like what are trans fat, read the labels, implementation of policies against elimination of trans fats in schools, health effects of trans fats, journey of trans fat globally and in India, association of salt and trans fat, and so on. And we would never be able to express our heartfelt gratitude to the media organizations including Indian Express, Hindustan Times, The Daily Pioneer, Chandigarh Savera, Dainik Bhaskar, Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala, Ajit, and many other newspapers who agreed to carry the stories in their esteemed newspapers. On electronic media, we disseminated our message to avoid trans fats for a healthy heart among masses with the organizations including Punjab Kesari. Another significant movement for us was collaborating with Radio Mirchi Chandigarh, which provided us with the desired hype across the Tri-City. Mirchi RJ Mehak spoke continuously on the topics related to trans fat for almost a month. Experts from PGI also shared their insights on telephonic interviews with Mirchi RJ Mehak. Another indispensable medium that provided desired push to our campaign was social media. The campaign ran on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram and interacted with a number of people across the globe. We received a lot of encouraging comments on the social media from diverse audience. Apart from sharing the IEC material inviting prominent people for a small video message on eliminating trans fats from the field of cinema, sports, health and medicine brought some unexpected results to our campaign. With support from celebrities like Shri Milkha Singh, Mr. Babbal Rai, Mr. Jasveer Jassi, Mr. Bain Singh Binder, Mr. Tejinder Singh Toor, Mr. Lambert Husainpuri, and many others, the Trans Fat Free Diwali campaign reached to a newer heights. With support of such prominent personalities, our campaign was unstoppable. For ensuring support of general public and creating awareness, we also organized a cyclothon which was flagged off by eminent dignitaries. We also organized inter-school competitions like slogan writing, poster making, jingle making in all public and private schools of Chandigarh. The use of EduSet to spread lectures about ill effects of trans fat was also promoted. We received 1,000+ entries in different categories which showed enthusiasm among students to eliminate trans fat from the food. Even the teachers and higher administration of the school was excited with the campaign and supported it wholeheartedly. We also provided cash prizes in each categories of the contest for their encouragement and active participation in the entire endeavor. Harnessing health and wellness centers to aware general public regarding ill effects of trans fat was another key resource for the campaign. A pledge on Trans Fat Free Diwali was also conducted in 300+ health and wellness centers operational across various districts of Punjab. The IEC material developed in various languages were disseminated and displayed in various telemedicine sites in different districts of Punjab, and the best 3 health and wellness centers were awarded with the cash prize in the campaign. And Government of Punjab has proposed this initiative among the best practices in healthcare sector. A lecture on ill effects of trans fats was also given to street food vendors, and they also took pledge to reduce trans fat in their food preparation. This is how we connected the dots to bring Trans Fat Free Diwali campaign into reality. For us, and first of its kind in the entire country and globe, where such type of campaign targeting audience across various sectors was planned and successfully accomplished. The team of our project left no stone unturned to make this event a grand success. I urge all of you once again to avoid trans fat in your food so that you can keep yourself and your family